Alright, so the laser cutter is just completing, it's going anytime you go to send a job. This is a good indication that your line thickness is incorrect inside your document, or it's highly unorganized. For example, I have this, which is a cutting path, and this, which is a raster document. Okay? This is the worst case scenario, so please follow along. First thing what I want to do is go into the layers. Window, layers. And you would make sure there's two layers here. One would be cut, the other one would be raster. Okay? This is a raster image, so I would make sure that that's on the raster layer. This one is my cut, so I move, or first highlight this, and then move this to the cut layer. If I'm cutting, I make sure that the raster is hid. And if I'm rastering, I make sure the cut is hid. Okay. The last thing is, if it's still doing it, it's because your line thickness is incorrect. So in this case, the line thickness looks thick on this one. So I go Window, Properties, and I changed the line thickness to 0.072 pt, and then enter on the keyboard. Now that is correct. So you can now try and send your job. If you are printing a combined thing, let's say a cut and a print, cut and raster at the same time, you have to do the following. Make sure that the fill is absolutely nothing. Click on this and make sure that is Object, Rasterize, and hit OK. Now when you go to File, Print, Setup, I choose the right printer, I go to Preferences. I can now use the Combined feature here. So that is the complete workflow to what happens when your printer laser cutter is going on you. Enjoy.